Feeling mentally foggy or distracted, like your focus is always slipping away. You might think you need to do more to sharpen your mind, more brain games, more productivity hacks. But what if the real problem isn't what you're missing? It's what you're doing every single day that's quietly draining your brain. Today, we'll be breaking down 3 common habits you need to stop right now if you want a truly sharper, clearer, and more focused mind. The first habit to drop is the myth of multitasking. Your brain isn't designed to switch rapidly between tasks. Every time you jump from an email to a message to a work task, you force your mind to reset. This creates mental fragmentation, scattering your attention, increasing errors, and actually slowing down your thinking speed. Research calls this task switching cost. The solution isn't doing more at once. It's doing one thing with full presence. Try single tasking in focused blocks of just 25 to 30 minutes. Turn off notifications, close extra tabs, and give one activity your complete attention. You'll finish faster, think deeper, and preserve mental energy. The second brain drain habit is endless digital consumption. Mindless scrolling, binge watching, and constant notifications overload your brain with fast-moving, low-value information. This conditions your mind for distraction, shortens your attention span, and leaves you feeling cognitively tired yet unsatisfied. Your brain needs space to process, not just consume. Start by scheduling short digital breaks. Try a 10-minute tech-free period after waking up or before bed. Use apps to limit social media time. When you consume content, do it intentionally. Choose quality over quantity. This isn't about quitting technology. It's about controlling your consumption so it doesn't control your clarity. The third and most overlooked habit is skipping mental recovery. We treat sleep as optional, fill every quiet moment with noise, and glorify non-stop hustle. But your brain isn't a machine, it's a living organ that needs downtime to repair, consolidate memories, and spark creativity. Neglecting sleep, skipping moments of reflection, and avoiding boredom harms long-term memory, problem solving, and emotional regulation. Build recovery into your day. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Take short mindful breaks, and allow yourself moments of silence. Even 5 minutes of focused breathing or a short walk without headphones can reset your cognitive clarity. A sharper mind isn't built by constantly adding more tasks, information, or stimulation. It's built by consciously removing what drains it. Stop multitasking to protect your focus. Stop over-consuming digital content to reclaim your attention. And stop neglecting mental recovery to fuel long-term clarity. Small, consistent stops lead to significant mental gains. Which of these 3 habits is the hardest for you to quit? Is it the multitasking, the scrolling, or the lack of mental recovery? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. If this gave you a clearer perspective, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. And subscribe to Only Lifestyle for more simple, science-backed strategies to upgrade your mind and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Remember, sometimes the best way to move forward is to stop what's holding you back. See you in the next video.